Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is the try-on portion for my Boxy Premium. So what I did yesterday is I went ahead and did the unboxing portion of my Boxy Premium, and it was actually the Boxy X Fenty box. And I just did a quick unboxing, showed you guys, all the products. Didn't do any swatches, I just showed you the products. I told you all the prices. Did the box total, which was $143. And I said for my next video, I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing in one video and then a try-on of all the items in a second video, and that's this video. So this video, we're actually gonna be going over the products and putting them on my face, and then I let you know what I think about them. Now this isn't a review because I haven't had enough time to review these products. These are just first impressions. So if you guys would like a review after I use the palette a little bit more, let me know. I can use it a few more looks and then come back in and also link it down in the description, like after wearing it for a few times, to let you guys know what I think about it. But let's go ahead and go over quickly again a quick recap of what I got in my first Boxy Premium. Now, if you guys want to see the unboxing portion, I'll link that above, and you guys can watch the unboxing portion of my Fenty collab video. So the first thing we got was this eyeshadow palette, Moroccan Spice. So I did do this look with Moroccan Spice. I did go in extra with Suva Beauty and Freezy, and that's just this blue here. I'm also going to show you guys some product shots and swatches right before I show you everything. Now I am giving this away. This is the Fenty Match Stix Shimmer Skin Stick in the shade Unicorn. It is a purple. I did not use this, and I don't use purples, so I'm going to be putting this in a giveaway. I have the box and everything for it. The next thing was these blotting papers. I didn't use these. I mean, those are going to go in my purse. I just put this makeup on, so there shouldn't be anything to blot. The next was this beautiful, rich chocolate brown lipstick, and then I just put this shimmer gloss on top of it. So let me show you guys some product shots. This was a Moroccan themed palette. So I went ahead and just did all of the products Moroccan themed, and I love the way the shoot came out. I got it really early in the morning, so the lighting was perfect. And it created really beautiful shadows for everything. I love it. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some swatches real quick. Alright, so here is all of the colors. And let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. As you can see, there is a lot of fallout with these shadows, and the highlight is a highlight, but I mean, there's still a lot of fallout, which is why I do my eye makeup first. So I'm going to put on a really cool liner. I'm trying to make this as colorful as possible. So I'm going to add this gold liner from Urban Decay, and it is in the color Gold Lime. Alright, so I have the eye look done. Now I'm just going to go in with their lipstick. Now, I have never tried her bullet lipstick formula. This is the color PMS from the box. So I am going to go in and see what this looks. This is a rich, beautiful chocolate brown. Oh, that is creamy, you guys. This is so luscious and beautiful. This color is absolutely stunning. I've been trying to find a dark, rich chocolate brown like this forever. So let's go ahead and go over what I think of the products. Now this, I mean, let me show you what it could look like as a highlighter on my skin tone. It's definitely going to be super gold, but I still want to try it on for you guys. I'll put a little bit right here. So there it is. That's just a very super light amount. I'm going to put a little bit right here so you guys can see the color. But I did use it on my inner corner, and I did use it on the center of my eye with my fingers. So you guys were able to see that as like an eyeshadow, but this is what it looks like as a highlighter. It is really beautiful, actually. This will be super gorgeous to like golden up your shoulders or your shin bones. When you have a tan in the summer, I think that would look absolutely stunning. Let me show you the gloss real quick. I'm not going to get this dirty, so I'm just going to do it with my finger here. And this just gives a little bit of a juiciness to the lips. And it smells like a vanilla cupcake. Oh, it smells so good. So the shadows, okay, so I felt like the darker shades, when I was blending them together, I felt like they got very muddy looking. They didn't blend as nicely as I was hoping they would. The shimmers were really nice. Some of them were beautiful. Like this blue is beautiful. This gold right here, so gorgeous. I felt like this topper shade here was kind of hard to put on the lid. It didn't seem to want to stick to anything, and even when I got it wet, it got very textured. So, and these darker shades I felt got really muddy looking together. Huh?
Kiss your cheek.
Oh, you want to kiss my cheek? Oh, thank you, baby. I'm going to play with this some more and figure out if I can't make these darker shades blend together easier. But for the most part, it's not my favorite formula. It's an okay formula, but it's definitely not my favorite formula. So I'm going to play with it, and I'll probably figure out ways to make it work better for me. But you guys, that is all for this try-on video. I hope you guys like that. Let me know if you like me splitting up the videos or if you just like them all in one video. I feel like all in one video, they are very long. This way, they're a little bit more spread out, and I get 2 videos. So let me know if that's something you guys like. But that's all I have for this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Bye!
Bye!